everyone, is Bag Passionate. Okay, this video it's quite unusual because I'm facing a little drama. I explained nothing serious, but it just that yesterday I got my sister at home, and she went to pay me a visit, and she was so happy because I made her a surprise. I gifted her a bag, and a bag from Longchamp, of course, because she fell in love with this bag. And yes, we made the video, it was funny, and so today I wanted to prepare this video and put it on my YouTube channel, and I discovered that I just got the very last part of a video. And my sister is no more here today, and it will be complicated to do it again because it's holidays, and it's not so easy to meet because we have children, and so, and she has a planning, I got a planning, so I'm sad. So well, why not? I will let you the very last part of the video, so you have tiny images of the bag that I gifted her. And my apologies, guys. I don't know what happened. And but I hope you do well, and I hope you like this tiny video. And so let's go. It will be short but intense, so stay tuned. And again, my apologies, guys. Wish you all the best, and have fun watching this. Bye. So guys, this was this tiny unboxing. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please don't hesitate to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, it's funny, and I can tell you a lot of eye candies are coming next, so stay tuned. If you have questions also about this bag or other Longchamp bag, do not hesitate to contact me and ask your question below. It's more than a pleasure for me to answer you and to help you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, you saw the video, and yes, it was great, as you can tell. So I bought my sister the Roseau Essential tote bag in sienna color, as you can see on the short video. And because she loved my yellow one, and so I said nothing. I called my boutique, and I made the surprise to give it to her, and she was super happy, and that's why she gave me the authorization to make a tiny video, which do not work finally. And well, so I bought it during the sales, and it was quite nice because I only paid €294 for this bag. It usually costs $490, yes, I think it's the price. I will check, but I think I'm right. And well, she was super happy. She loved this bag. She used it, and that's great. So again, I apologize for the not unboxing. But yes, why not? I have a community, and I think sometimes we need to be honest. So I am honest. This video does not work, so I hope you still enjoy this funny one. So I will not repeat. You know, if you have comments, do not hesitate to write below, and subscribe if you want to see more funny things here. And well, okay, I will end here, and thanks again, because you guys are wonderful, and I know that you will apologize me, so thanks in advance. Have a nice day, guys. Thanks for everything. Bye.